Another lovely day in the winter wonderland. It's like it snowed definitely last night. It's a good thing we got the Honda home. Now I'm going over here to get our fuel cans because I need to go get E85 for the Forester this morning. Also, we have a tune that somehow worked its way in. We weren't going to do any tuning or customer car stuff this week, but you know what? They keep the people happy. We got a car here. It's just a stage 2 black STI 06. Oh, my ladies are in here sleeping where it's no snow land. So grab some fuel containers. I hate having my hood up. I can't see shit. All right, I'm gonna grab these and we're gonna go get some fuel. Guys, we got our nice blistering heat wave here. 11 degrees. Another cold day. I was really hoping it would warm up a little bit more today. It does show that it warms up a little bit more throughout the week, you know, next week. Christmas Eve is tomorrow, so obviously the only work we'll be doing is trying to get a video out for you guys. As you guys probably have noticed, I've been recording same day. I haven't been able to get ahead. Seems like every chance that I try to get ahead, then the following day just not a baner. And you know what? Every day isn't going to be. So I will do my best. I think these last 2 days are probably gonna be the hardest. So if I could break up today and have some content for both days, that'd be awesome. But if not, I'm in it for you guys. Hopefully it just warms up a little bit, because this is a little bit overkill. And all my guys are living colder climates. Could understand, and yes, to those that live in warmer climates, we should be used to it, right? But you still complain. Now, we are off to get the E85. Wish me luck, because I got on the freeway and I wasn't going to take this way, but since I was talking, just habit. The freeway is completely black ice right now, so wish me luck. Now I know to some, $469 is expensive for E85, but that's actually damn near $1 cheaper than what we've been paying for this all last summer. I think it was like $549, but that was a nice surprise. 'Tis the season, right? And we are back. Saw about 10 wrecks on the way back. Everybody's sliding everywhere. Chase is getting this knocked out in here. I can hear him. Dang. What's up, guy? So this car came in the other day for a tune, but it has studded snow tires, and those obviously don't work on the dyno, so we're getting those switched out. We're switching them with the ones off the Forester for now, so we can get this guy all tuned up. Like I said, it's just a 06 STI, very basic, simple setup. Looks like it has a Cobb airbox, and it's just a turbo back exhaust. Other than that, just stock. So we're gonna get the wheels changed, and then we'll get on the dyno. I'll show you guys probably a couple poles, and then we'll see what this thing makes. He said he wants it to be really safe because he plans on, wow, it looks really good on these. He plans on beating on it pretty good, so don't mind the numbers on this one. I think it's probably only going to make 240 to 260. I'm going to keep it nice and safe for him, so that way he can beat on it, enjoy it, and do what he needs to do. So these look really good on there. Yeah, they don't look bad. Dude, all blacked out, that's the move. That looks real good. I like gold, don't get me wrong, but these Black Hawkeyes, they always have my heart. This car's pretty low miles. It only has 62,000 miles on it. So definitely a really clean, nice example of these cars. While Chase is wrapping that up, let's go ahead and throw our harness in. Look at this thing. Team. So we can see our STI cluster turn on in this thing. It'll be pretty simple because I don't have the surround in here because I was already anticipating having to pull it back out. So it's just sitting in there. I have probably bolted in, but I'm gonna go ahead, get that unbolted and throw this in. Now poor lighting in here, but this should be as simple as just plug and play. Let me grab all our plugs here, which it looks like it is. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this one-handed or not. Let me try. There we have it. I got lights. You guys ready for this? Oh, it works. 94,000 miles is what our drivetrain has on it. But she works. That makes me really excited. That's probably the best thing. No, I mean, the steering was pretty good too. There's a lot of things that are good, but STI cluster, GD, I don't think there's a better cluster, guys. I really don't. It just, something about it. Can't wait to see this thing just be buried at 9,000 RPMs. Not with the stock motor. No. 8, maybe 85. We really hate this motor, but we'll see. There she is, boys. Boys, just finishing up with this Hawkeye. There she is, made 254 and 279. That is on 17 pounds. Everything's nice and conservative on fueling and timing to keep this thing living a long life, because like I said, he said he wants to enjoy it. He told me to make sure it was conservative, so that's what I did. Now that I'm finished up, I'm going to do the last, just a pull for you real quick, and then we'll be done with this and we can move on to the Forester. For you, it made a little bit more on that one. Made 256, 276, same pull, no changes. Like I said, happy there. Gonna go ahead and get this thing off to dyno. We can get on to the Fozzy time. All right, we just finished up the Forester. Just got the brakes bled. Chase and Justin just did that. I did raise the front an inch. I don't know if that's gonna be enough. We'll test. Right now, we are just wrapping things up here. I got the overflow on, guys. There she is. She's nice and mounted and in. Now I'm doing a boost leak test. This is something good to do on any new build. Don't mind the little air leak there. But this is just something I would recommend on any new build, any new setup. Anytime you take your car apart, yeah, it just helps out a lot. I mean, we want to make some good power of this thing, and we want to be able to use all of our boost, not just be leaking it and making the turbo compensate for it. So now let's go ahead and add some. You can see the gauge there. We're at 5. Almost at 10 and holding. All right, that's enough. No leaks. Got 10 psi right there. And obviously it's going to slowly leak down, but that looks good. That means we're good to go. I'll unhook this thing. Bam. Then we'll test the height on the Forester. Hopefully this thing is high enough. I'm just going to leave the front bumper off right now for the tune. It is still pretty damn cold outside. It's not that warm in here, guys. I know you're hearing us complain a little bit about it. It definitely sucks. Still probably gonna have to bleed the power steering on this thing, just to give it a good look over. Looks like a couple vacuum hoses are gonna need some zip ties on it. Just some small things. We'll put the intake on here too, and yeah, we'll go from there. Let's see how we're looking for ride height. I'm gonna check the height. See where it sits. Should be a lot better than what it was. Yeah, that's about right where you want it.
Still has that rake a little bit, but I like.
There we are with an inch. Let this thing focus. It's definitely a lot closer than where we were. It definitely needs to go up in the front to match the rear. Yeah.
No, that's the same.
Same. It stays.
That's not the same. What's measured?
It's not the same. No, these always look good with a little bit of a rake. It's not the same. I can tell you that right away.
So we're measuring from the inside. So that's 4 1/4. And
See, it's up.
yeah,
That's why it definitely needs to go up like another what? 3/4?
It's 4 3/4.
Dog, it's already gonna have a rake if it matches. I can't do it.
It needs to go up about another quarter.
Well, when she's squatting going
It was 4 1/4 in the front,
It needs
right?
to go about half.
What was it in the rear?
Almost 5. So it's 4 3/4.
Yeah, so put it up 3/4 in front. The front is always higher than the rear on any GD.
Whatever.
Then when we put them down and they match, you already feel like you're like this in the car. So, all right, we're gonna raise these another inch.
Nah,
Yeah, another inch.
Half an inch.
Nah.
Half an inch.
No, you just said it was 1/4 and that was
yeah,
5.
but half an inch.
Nah.
Yeah, that's hella high up now. Damn.
You just gotta rotate it down.
I tried. It's locked. There it goes. Bullshit, it wasn't. Jesus. There you go. Perfect. That's the spot.
Pretty good.
Yep, that's it.
A little high in front.
You're on time lapse?
No, I'm on over there on the ground. On the other side. Looks like the front is almost higher now than the back.
Told you too much.
3/4, okay? You said half.
Half, yeah. Watch it be spot on.
Dang.
Holy shit.
Bad?
It's at
Oh yeah, you went way too far. I told you, half an inch.
4, almost 5 inches. And almost 5 inches. So
It's spot on. There it is.
pretty close.
We're gonna call it there. I'm gonna pull it up. I gotta put these coilover sleeves back on, lock down the perches. Good. Doubter.
Let's go with a rake.
All right, boys, got the thing running. I do need to add a little bit more fuel in, but something to take note. We noticed that the car was down almost on a cylinder idle, and I had the Honda's injectors over here that you can see, my fuel rail. And you can see here, I had a set of ID2000s that I had just cleaned, and I went ahead and switched those out of this thing. So you can tell it's obviously needs a little bit more fuel added in right now. It seems like maybe one of those was stuck open. So I put in injectors that I know are good. The other ones I bought secondhand, like I mentioned to you guys, I hadn't got them cleaned. I should have. I will get them cleaned now and flow tested, but thing is a lot happier now. It's not down a cylinder now. It's definitely, like I said, it just needs a bit more fuel because she is going all over right now. So, but it's running. Now that we've let the power steering out, I'm sure we're still gonna have to work on that. We're gonna put the breather hose off of the AOS down, and then we'll get this thing loaded up on the dyno. All right, there she is, ready for the dyno, and we're gonna make them wait.
She's gonna blow the fuck up.
Whoa, not like you.
Yeah, you better knock on some wood. You
Yeah,
better knock
right?
on some wood.
Making them wait.
You got at least a couple poles.
Making them wait. Next video, boys, she hits the dyno, which is tonight.
1,000 woo!
Yeah, you already hear her going up and down. That's her crying as she hears the dyno's coming.
Recaps already fucking seen it, baby.
Chases, he's just retarded. Goodbye.
fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living